Good morning everyone, my name is Rakhi. Today's video is about pity. Pity, I told you, is always there. It will never go away from your mind till we are breathing or having a blood in our body. Now I want to tell you about the people who are short-tempered. These are the people who can get angry at a very small things. These are the people who don't listen to anyone and always worrying about everything. They use violence as an excuse of their anger and can be dangerous for others' life and their life also. So their parents, friends, and relatives are always worrying about them and trying to shut them down. But it cannot be very easy because when you know these are the people who can lose their anger, who can lose their senses very easily due to their anger. So a research has also come and proved that these are the people who are these people who are short tempered. They are most likely to have suffered from heart attack in their lives. The short tempered people are always in an angry mood. Everybody knows that. So they don't deserve anybody's pity. Because of the very small thing, they can get very annoyed. And if you oppose their demand, they will be polite for a moment. But when their demands are unmet, they can be very annoyed and angry with you. So there's no point of showing any pity towards them. Now, uh, now I want to tell you about some. Suppose somebody asks you about for 500 rupees, but you are not in the position to fulfill their demand, so you just deny them. But when you deny them, they'll get angry. So this shows that their behavior, their negative behavior towards you. So there's no showing. So there's no pity for them. But as long as you are living, this pity will never go away from your mind. I told you last time too. It suits on your feeling. It will give you energy in your life. But likewise, it is only because of pity that we are having a very hard life. Take an instance of the soldiers who are continuously working in this hot weather, whether in this hot weather outside. They are always practicing, no matter if it's raining or not, because this is the rule in the army. They have to wear all these things to protect our country, to protect us. These soldiers will protect us no matter the situation is. Even if they had to take a bullet for us, they will do that too. Whereas all we are be doing is staying at our home and laughing, enjoying our life. But whenever we hear anything about the bravery of our soldiers, we'll feel pity for them, for their families who had to lose their child in the war. So the pity will always goes in our mind. We will so there's whenever there is a hurt, there is always a pity for others. Now, in our society, everybody is complaining about how difficult our life is, but there are so many people out there whose life are more difficult than us. uh, let's take an example of the people who are working in the mines. They, especially in coal mines, laborers who are working there in a very high temperature and smoking areas. These are the people who come with their children to work, and in this hot weather, and are forced to work in that area. This can affect their health also. So whenever you listen or hear anything about them, you should feel pity for them. You should help them whenever they are in need instead of making fun of them. Now, let's take another example of sports like cricket and football. The players in these games practice a lot, work hard a lot to win the matches. But unfortunately, when they couldn't win the match, the people started trolling them. They started saying mean things to them, so they feel bad about it. The players, they feel bad about it. They think that this is the only gain that we are gaining for our practice or hard work. So we should feel about their condition, about the people who are trolling them, instead of appreciating their effort. At least they are trying, at least they are making effort to win a match. So you shouldn't troll them. You should feel pity for them. Now, in our society, which is divided into two sections, that is rich and the poorer one. The rich people who doesn't work very hard because they have all the things to fulfill their demands. Even their children, they don't work. They don't necessarily work on their school work. They are just keep on giving excuses and saying they don't want to work when they have all the money. So but But on the other hand, poor people who have suffered so much because of their poor conditions, even their children, they have to suffer from such a young age. They have to work. They have to work to support their families, to support their to sup- to support their family condition. They work like for 18 to 16 hours to in a dangerous condition, and in a dangerous condition and also work hard at night to for their studies, because they can't take a rest, because they have a goal to achieve. They are also like us. So whenever we see any people, any poor people who are struggling in their life, so we should help them. We should feel pity for them instead of making fun of them. Thank you.